Hello and welcome to my engagement presentation. My name is DaveKvitek, and I currently teach electricity 2 nights a week for the Career Pathways Bridge program. My engagement presentation is set 31, Directed Paraphrasing. I chose this set because I believe it's something that I can use in my own class, especially this semester where we are learning about the electrical codes for wiring houses. There are many terms and descriptions that are written purposefully in the code to make it difficult for an untrained person to understand. So let's take a look at how it works. Directed paraphrasing is a classroom technique that provides an opportunity for students to summarize and restate what they have learned or understood to be important. The instructor provides an activity that helps students take an idea or concept and make it their own. Students then use their own words and understanding of the idea and paraphrase the concepts that are complex or have confusing vocabulary. This is a skill in life that I believe is essential for success in every profession. For example, with medical patients, most technical procedures will need to be described using common words. Why is it important for electrical students, in my case, or for any other student for that matter? Students get an opportunity to make sense of electrical jargon and digest the information in a way they understand. Students get the opportunity to practice how to repeat this information in layman's terms for the general public. Students get the opportunity to practice putting new information into their own words. And for educators like us, we get the opportunity to evaluate if students are actually grasping the new information being presented. What are some of the cons or negative aspects? It can take a lot of time to read each and every paraphrase and to sort out where students might be confused. If students are confused or having trouble paraphrasing, they may need more focused attention to help them grasp the concept. How do you implement? First, identify an important principle, theory, concept, or argument that students have studied, preferably one that has implications outside of the classroom. Second, determine an appropriate, realistic, and challenging audience for the students to craft their translations. And then ask the students to restate or paraphrase in their own words what they understood the principle to be. For example, in my electrical class, the definition for how many receptacles are required to be installed in a house is, according to Article 210.52A1 spacing, receptacles shall be installed such that no point measured horizontally along the floor line of any wall space is more than 6 feet from receptacle outlet. The first time reading this definition, it makes you think, what do they mean? The student paraphrase would look something like this. Any point along a wall cannot be more than 6 feet away from receptacle outlet. This, of course, makes it much easier to understand and state. What do you do with the paraphrases that the students have completed? They can be used as an assessment tool that can clarify misunderstood information in class. They can be used for practice to demonstrate patient teaching, and they can be used as practice for students to put concepts and ideas into their own words. So in summary, directed paraphrasing can have more than one application. It benefits the student with enhanced learning, and it benefits the instructor with an assessment tool and, of course, learning as well. I hope you found this video presentation helpful. Thank you for listening and happy learning.